Halo, selamat datang di Musik Player Collection.
Terima kasih telah mengeklik video ini. Ada apa di hari ini? Ada video cover dari Putri Ariani yang telah direaction oleh guru vokal asal Bangkok. Wow, baru kali ini saya menampilkan guru vokal ini di channel saya ya. Oke, dan lagu ini sudah banyak tentunya direaction oleh orang-orang luar negeri ya. Tapi yang belum saya posting di sini, saya akan mencoba untuk mengeksplor, membagikan pada kalian semuanya yang memang belum menonton video ini ya. Nah, ini orang Bangkok yang mereaksinya ya. Saya belum pernah mengupload video orang Bangkok ini. Oke, daripada berlama-lama, daripada panjang lebar, kita saksikan bersama bagaimana seorang guru vokal dari Bangkok mereaksi video dari Putri Ariani. Langsung saja kita let's go.
I am here, the Bangkok voice coach, and today I'm going to look at Putri Ariani singing this beautiful, intimate performance of Fly Me to the Moon, that 1954 classic by Bart Howard.
Okay.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Another world, hold my hand.
Oh, it's such a great sound. Such a great sound.
Another world, darling, kiss me.
It's actually quite hard to believe
Fill
that's
my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Another world, please be true. Another world, I love you. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore.
You know, it's the most extraordinary sound because it's so perfectly in tune. I don't think I can remember when I last heard a voice that was so perfectly in tune. And what is tuning? Well, it is not just the quality of the pitch, but it's also the quality of the tone. It's just enough brightness.
Okay.
But it's not over bright, because if it was over bright it would sound sharp and a little bit too harsh. But it's not over darkened, because that would drag the pitch down a little bit and make it sound a little bit under. She is literally in the middle of every note. And it's not just occasionally or 90% of the time, it's all the time. So she has this wonderful, wonderful gift for tuning. And I have said this before, I'm quite sure that she has perfect pitch. She has such a developed ear. I'm just trying to learn when I listen to this. So the thing is that this song is so well known that it is wonderful to hear it sung as if this young girl is composing it right there at the piano, just thinking it up as she goes along. And this is what great singers do, and this is what great actors do as well. They prepare, they learn, they know the lyrics, they've memorized them, they've worked on the song, then they sit down and they invent the song. And that is what interpretation is: creative skill.
Okay.
And talent.
You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Another word, please be true. Another word,
Oh, well.
I love you. Another word, I love you.
Ekspresinya.
Yes. Oh. Oh, well, love is right. This song is so full of love, and her performance is so full of warmth and this great love that she has for the world that she lives in, and she shares it with us and makes us better for it. And I just think it's extraordinary and wonderful to listen to this, to witness this. It's a lovely interpretation. It's in A flat, which is a lovely lower key. It's a sort of mezzo-soprano key. I've said this before, I do believe she's a lovely mezzo-soprano voice with this upper extension. She doesn't seem to have any change from chest register to the middle register to the top. It goes effortlessly from one to the other, and the reason is that she never pushes it. You can hear that the breath touches the vocal cords just like this, gently, just touching but connecting, and connecting is the most important thing in singing. It is the moment of the breath connecting to the vocal cords. Often people get in the way of that connection. They grip it, they over push the air, they use the wrong muscles, they try too hard, but this is just perfect. And I love to watch intimate performances of great singers who are singing just pretty much unplugged acoustically, because this is when you see what they're doing, you see the mechanics of how it works. But this is just pure, true, and simple genius. It's William here in Thailand. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I love you.
Oke Sobat YouTube, demikianlah penampilan Putri Ariani yang telah direaksi oleh guru vokal asal Bangkok ya. Oke, begitu kita sudah menyaksikan bersama apa yang dikatakan oleh guru vokal Bangkok. Memang lagu ini dibawakan dengan penuh cinta tentunya, dan tidak harus menggunakan otot, tidak harus menggunakan agar keras dan lantang, dan terbukti Putri Ariani membawakan lagu ini dengan sangat lembut, dengan suara-suara bisikan, tapi itu kena ke dalam hati kita ya. Ketika kita mendengar langsung banyak suara-suara manja seperti itu ya. Dan ini akan tentunya menjadi sebuah suara vokal yang jadi indah, didengarnya jadi enak. Oke, seperti itu yang dikatakan oleh guru vokal Bangkok ya. Dan memang sangat menarik sekali Putri Ariani untuk direaksi, apalagi sampai guru vokal ini mereaksi, itu sangat-sangat berharga ya, menjadi sebuah pengalaman baru bagi saya. Ini sampainya saya mengetahui tentang arti nada, tentang segala macam tentang suara vokal. Itu menjadi sebuah pengalaman baru, pengetahuan baru. Terima kasih banyak untuk Bangkok Voice Shows ya, ini nama channelnya, tapi orangnya bernama William, Mr. William. Thank you sudah mereaksi video dari Putri Ariani. Dan tentunya ketika banyak reaktor yang mereaksi video Ariani, tentunya juga Putri Ariani akan semakin banyak dikenal di masing-masing konten reaktor tersebut ya. Reaktor Bangkok ya, dia akan lebih banyak ditonton oleh Bangkok. Reaktor Amerika juga akan lebih banyak ditonton Amerika. Reaktor Indonesia juga akan lebih banyak ditonton Indonesia. Nah, intinya makin banyak yang mereaksi, makin banyak youtuber kreator yang mereaksi, otomatis akan semakin banyak orang yang akan menonton video dari Putri Ariani, akan semakin terkenal, akan semakin menggelegar di seluruh dunia. Oke, terima kasih kalian semuanya sudah menyempatkan waktunya untuk menonton video ini. Semoga kalian sehat selalu, panjang umur, dan dilimpahkan rezekinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Bagi kalian yang mau menonton video resminya dari guru vokal Bangkok ini, nanti saya akan tautkan link di kolom deskripsi ya. Sampai jumpa kita di video berikutnya. Bye.